Looking for a reliable laser level? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best laser levels, perfect for both DIYers and pros. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Item number 5. The Huepar 904DG 16-line laser level is a top choice for precision in both vertical and horizontal leveling. Featuring Germany Osram green laser beams and a precision of plies 1/9 inch at 33 feet, it ensures accuracy for DIYers and professionals alike. With an IP54 rating, it's dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. The tool offers self-leveling, manual modes, and a 360-degree magnetic base for easy positioning. With 8 hours of battery life and remote control for line switching, this laser level is perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. Item number 4. The Lfine 16-line professional laser level delivers high accuracy with 1 mm precision at 7 meters. It features 2x360 degrees horizontal and 2x360 degrees vertical laser planes for complete coverage. With H and V modes, switching between horizontal and vertical lines is effortless. The 4800 mAh battery offers over 6 hours of use, while the Type-C charging and battery display add convenience. A durable tripod with up to 39 inches in height and remote control up to 16 feet make it ideal for construction, tiling, and woodworking projects. Precise, portable, and powerful. Item number 3. Introducing the HILDA 1216 lines laser level, designed for precision and versatility. With self-leveling technology, it ensures accurate results on uneven surfaces. Featuring 360-degree horizontal and vertical measurements, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The bright 520mm green laser beam offers clear visibility, even in challenging lighting. Compact at 12 by 10 by 6 centimeters, it runs on 220 volts and operates between -20 to +40 degrees. Certified with CE and built to high standards, this Class 2 laser tool is ideal for professionals who demand accuracy and reliability in every project. Item number 2. The Huepar S04 CGC is a professional 4D 16-line green laser level, offering classy 3mm accuracy at 10 meters. It features an LCD backlit screen, Bluetooth connectivity, and a remote for convenient control. With a working range up to 40 meters with detector and dual power sources, Li-ion and AA battery, it's perfect for any job. The laser levels in just 3 seconds and is rated IP54 for dust, water, and shock resistance. Powered by Germany Osram diodes, this tool ensures bright, precise lines for both indoor and outdoor use. Item number 1. The L4D 16-line laser level delivers full 360-degree horizontal and vertical laser coverage, ideal for ceiling work, tiling, and layout precision. It features self-leveling and manual mode with a smart pendulum system that alerts you if out of level. The pulse mode enhances visibility and battery efficiency. Powered by a rechargeable battery with over 6 hours of use, it includes a remote control for hands-free operation. The bonus compact tripod offers adjustable height and easy portability, perfect for both professionals and serious DIY users. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.